Are you a data analyst or a data scientist and you've seen SSIS as a tool required in so many job applications? You're beginning to wondering if this tool is for you to learn, or you have so many tool options you want to learn and you're not sure if SSIS is top priority for you to learn. At the end of this video, you're going to have a quick direction about if you're supposed to learn SSIS or not. But first of all, welcome to my cyberspace. Now let's get right into it. SSIS, like I mentioned in my previous video, is one of the tools that used out there to be able to extract, transform, and load. And most of the people who actually do all the ETL processes, which is the extract, transform, and load, are mostly data engineers or data architects, or people who is, or the person who is like managing like the data warehouse or whatsoever. And one of the reasons why you might actually want to learn SSIS is because increasingly, just because of this whole AI space, and a lot of times company wants to get three for the price of one. Most of the time you see when they put up a job application, they are looking for somebody who is well grounded. So having SSIS as a toolkit is going to really help you to stand out among your peers. The goal is not necessarily to like know everything about SSIS, but because there are sometimes practically, if you're working for even a, let's say, an organization, no matter how big or how small it is, you might want to actually do some ETL processing that you don't necessarily have the time to reach out to the data administrator team or those that are managing like the large sum of data. And the company would also be grateful if you have that toolkit in case either the data engineer or the people who are managing the database are probably not available, or you can also clearly communicate to them. So the skills that are being required as a data analyst, data scientist are increasing every day, and one of the ones that are out there is SSIS. On the flip side, the reason why you might not want to learn SSIS is because if you're working for a well-structured organization, if you are going to be using SSIS, that might be something you'll be using full-time. And if you are going to be doing more of data analysis, like visualization, like you most likely want to focus on learning Power BI, SQL, or Python before you want to learn like the extra skills. So I'll think of SSIS as an extra tool, not necessarily like something you want to learn for the first time. So if SSIS is you're in it for the first time, you're not very much confident about like your other data toolkit, my recommendation is to go to learn other data toolkits first of all, and then you can dive a little bit into understanding some basics about SSIS. In this series, I'm going to be explaining SSIS from a data analyst, a data scientist point of view, such that I'm going to break it down to the simplest form and you are not going to worry about anything. So if this video was a value for time, do also subscribe, like, and follow, and check out my next video where I'll be talking about how to install SSIS and all the packages that you need to have SSIS ready. Thank you. Ciao.